You'll notice the URL is literally shitty coding agent. A new dev box. It's like spins this up in 10 seconds, hot and ready. Like the claims that they're making is that they're merging 1600 PRs a week with this type of orchestration using these agents exclusively, which to me is like it's proof that you should pay attention to this.
Everyone, my name is Michael, and this is Nick. We're both best friends. We've been friends for a long time, and we've been programming for a long time and using AI heavily every single day since ChatGPT came out. And one thing that we used to do when we lived together is talk about AI for a couple hours straight. So we figured we might as well start recording our chats and just putting it out there on the internet. So if anyone else, does the same thing as us, we're creating content for people like us.
Full summary.
First thing that we want to talk about. So we've kind of had a bunch of things that have come up over the last week. So we're going to just try to touch on some of them. Nick, you found the Pi coding agent. And I guess I hadn't heard of it before, but obviously everyone's heard of OpenClaw. The Pi coding agent is the agent behind OpenClaw, right? Underneath the hood.
Yep.
It sounds like it's built really well. It's a minimal coding agent that's built to be extensible and is well maintained. But I really don't know that much about it yet. I haven't really used it. So I know you've been using it this week. What are your thoughts on it so far?
Yeah, so I've been using OpenClaw. I bought a MacBook, right, or a Mac Mini. We like looked at that on the first video. But this week I was reading this because I was curious about some of these other agent harnesses that are out there. And this is basically like a little brief write-up from this guy Armin, and he was talking about how you might have heard of OpenClaw, which was made by Peter Steinberg, right? But I didn't know that basically under the hood, OpenClaw is just a Pi agent that has been extended. I love the summary that they did here. So the first thing I love about this, it says it has a tiny core, the shortest system prompt of any agent that I'm aware of, and it only has 4 tools. So read, write, edit, and bash. So you could think about this like it's literally just the most basic possible thing you could have while being useful. It's also very easy to extend it. So I just think this is a really cool place to start. If you wanted to build your own coding agent, you just pull in Pi and get to work. And it's built in a way where it is intentionally built to be easy to extend while also being minimalist. So I love the trade-off there. There's another
Something that
yeah.
first bullet point makes me wonder. It seems like you could do almost anything with read, write, edit, and bash. So what are all these other agents? What tools do they have beyond that? And are they not necessary? If this one can work with just those 4 tools, why do other agents have more than that? And I don't know if you know what the other agents have in terms of tools. But
yeah, so I mean, to get started here, like it doesn't have MCP, so it can't do that by default. But you can add it as a plugin. So it has this like extendability behavior where you can add MCP or something like that, but it doesn't have it. It also can't browse the web. There's no web fetch here. So things like that, it's immediately obvious like, oh, Claude has web fetch, but we don't, right, in this instance here. So I think that's really interesting. It's extremely minimal. And from having used it, another thing that I noticed is that when it reads a file, it pretty much just reads the whole thing. It doesn't like read a piece. It's not doing the same kind of like truncation that Claude is doing. And so you get some loss of the fidelity around like maybe how intentional you're being about the context. But I love the idea of just using this thing in a minimalist way. And the other thing that I really love this for that's going to branch into, so let me switch back to this other tab. So this is the Pi agent, and you'll notice the URL is literally shitty coding agent. which is hilarious to me because in all seriousness, okay, like like this is not to say that this thing's better than Claude. It really isn't. It lacks a lot of the tooling that makes Claude super nice. But the thing is you're getting kind of exposure to how powerful an agent can be with just minimalist tools and then a powerful model, right? So if you're using this with 5.4, it's like how far does 5.4 go without any sophisticated tooling whatsoever? And I love the idea and the principle of that. It's kind of like you're dialing back your context engineering to a level that is, it's like there's essentially none happening here, at least by the harness, right? But at the same time, it's still pretty usable. Um, it's also because it's so small, it's really, really fast. So it doesn't do a lot of decisions or like tool calls before it runs. You type something and it just kicks off right away because there's a tiny context window. You're maybe, I mean, it has to be the smallest possible context window you could ever pass in. It's pretty
And
awesome.
can you use your OpenAI subscription
Yeah. So I've got it hooked up with
with this?
the pro plan,
Okay,
and
but I'm assuming you can't use your Claude Max subscription with
no,
this.
because they don't support it, right? But yeah, I've been able to use it a lot with 5.4, so that's been pretty fun. The other thing I want to lead into here with this topic, the reason why I started looking at Pi in the first place is because I was looking at the Stripe stuff. So Stripe agents, this is what I want to pull up because I know you haven't looked at this, but this is very, very cool. They're called minions. And we don't really need to look at the part one. We could just look at the
Can
top.
you?
Yeah. So what's really cool about this is basically this is what I would call an it's there's this term now that's being thrown around. There's two terms. It is of out of loop agent or in the loop agent. So an in the loop agent is one where the human is there kind of interacting with it as you go. You can think about this as Claude Code. Maybe you're working on a feature, building out an app, and it's periodically checking in with you and being like, "Hey, what should I do next?" And you're like, "Oh, okay, now we're gonna do this." Um, an out of loop agent is one that just runs to completion. So like you give it a prompt and it's gonna run and run and run until it's completely finished, and it has some end state. And so what Stripe has done here is they've built an out of loop agent that essentially it they communicate to it via Slack. They tell it to go do some task, and it spins up a sandboxed EC2 instance, and it has access to where's the toolbox here? Um, Maybe it's described in the other one, but they have an internal MCP setup. So there's a bunch of MCP tools, and then the agent can decide which tools to pull out of the MCP. And because it's sandboxed, it's not reading the internet, it's not reaching out for things. Everything is internal to Stripe, so you can kind of trust the MCP to be secure, right? You could say.
Mhm.
Um, so
And did
like
they
they've yeah,
explain why they wanted to communicate with it through Slack?
yes, because they want to be able to expose the agent in ways that makes it really easy for them to talk to it. So for example, and they actually have two ways, I believe. I don't know if I thought there was three, but when I was looking, I only saw two. But it's basically like you can interact with this via CLI and spin up an agent, or you can interact with it via Slack. And I think the reason why they did that is because they also want their PMs to be able to send messages to these things and kick off
Mm,
jobs to go fix
okay,
stuff.
because terminals are a little scary for non-technical people, and there's a lot of setup uh, just to get a terminal agent running
Right.
in an optimal way. So they're just saying, hey, everyone's got Slack. So if we expose the agent via Slack, then everyone has access to it with no setup. And
Right.
even though maybe setting up a terminal is not that many steps, from my experience, just my personal ex opinion and others, the number of steps that you have to get to something, that's like significant user drop off. To say, if there's 0 steps, you're already in Slack. Hey, the agent is in Slack. That's going to be the best path. But if there's even 1 step, you need to open a terminal and install Claude. Maybe that's 2 steps there. You're going to
Right.
have way less users actually try that. So maybe that's the reason why.
Yeah. Um, so then the reason why I got onto Pi is because they're using this thing called Goose, and Goose is like it's another minimalist agent harness. Um, it's really simple. It's open source, and they basically took this. If you watch this video, it's like him doing really simple stuff with it, and you're like, wow, this is shockingly simple, kind of like pi, except you're going to take this and you're going to build on it, right? You're going to create something more sophisticated, that is easy to sandbox and spin up, and then easy to make it useful, by kind of adding your own customized tooling on it, right? They want to build this to be useful for Stripe's ecosystem explicitly, which I think is a really cool pattern.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
watching another video on other versions of OpenClaw. I think there was like Pico Claw and a bunch of other claws. And what they were talking about, this is from the Moonshot podcast. They're saying that there's points in time where like a new paradigm gets created. And after that new paradigm is created, it's sort of the first invention that invents that new paradigm is sort of like just an example to everyone. Then after that, a bunch of new iterations get created that optimize that paradigm and
Mhm.
explore many different iterations or ways to tackle the same problems. So it seems like we've got Claude Code, we've got Codex, got the Pi agent, we've got the Goose agent, right?
Yeah.
And probably the few that I'm missing there. So the new paradigm here is like an agent harness, right?
Yeah.
Would you call Pi and Goose like an agent harness,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah. These are minimalist agent harnesses.
Mhm.
And then we've
Yeah.
got this out of the loop idea, right? So I really do want to get through, like, this might be the most interesting thing I read, so I do want to spend a good amount of time kind of talking through this. The other thing that's really cool about this is that whole out of loop idea. So they spin up an EC2, right? Where is that? EC2. Yeah, basically they spin up an EC, I guess like the viewers can read this, but they spin up an EC2 in 10 seconds that has access to all the code that it would need to have to perform its task. And then it reaches into the toolbox and it grabs, like, the tools that it needs. So a new dev box is like spins this up in 10 seconds, hot and ready. And then um, essentially what happens is that instead of the engineers working in the loop on the agent and like working with it, they observe it running its task to completion, right? And if it fails along the way, the engineers will step in when it's completely done to figure out why it failed so they can patch it so that it can work for next time. They don't fix it like halfway through. They fix it at the, like, after they've audited it. So Stripe has set these up in a way where the agents can run to completion and then they can go, okay, how did it do? And the velocity here is really crazy. Like, the claims that they're making is that they're merging 1,600 PRs a week with this type of orchestration, using these agents exclusively, which to me is like, it's proof that you should pay attention to this, right?
So
In a
when do
company like
they
Stripe.
do they talk about when to use out of the loop agents versus in the loop agents?
I don't think so.
Is it-
This is a topic that I heard from someone talking about the agents. They kind of just describe their setup. It's worth a read. This is like a really cool, uh, like, blog post, especially coming from a company like Stripe. If you're
Yeah.
want
So
to learn more about this stuff. Yeah.
the reason I'm asking maybe we can talk about this is what uh I'm trying to think about through my own use case when I would want to use an out of the loop agent versus when I would want to use an in the loop agent. So maybe I'll read through this and there might be information there, but
Yeah. To the guy that I was listening to about this that had some really interesting insights, he said you use an in the loop agent. So in the loop is better in some ways because you have an engineer sitting there with it. So the engineer is going to be highly capable, right? Building an out of loop agent does not have an engineer, so it's less capable. So what he said is you want to start by creating an in the loop agent that can build out the loop agents, and then when you have those working, right? You want to start with the in the loop because you get more engineer feedback and intuition and all of this as you're building these. And you can do more complicated things. But once you've kind of scoped it and you figured out what you want to accomplish, if you can do an out of the loop agent, what's really powerful about it is now you don't need any human for it to do its task, right? You can just send it off to do a piece of work and it just does it. And you and I have experienced this in some ways with Codex, where it's like the harness for the Codex API or the Codex application is so good that a lot of times you can just type a single sentence and it goes and does most of the context engineering for you to find the related pieces, and it just finishes the job, right? That's an amazing feeling.
Hmm.
Um, so yeah, that's kind of the process, is like you start within the loop to build out of the loop agents, and then that's kind of like your end game. Um, he also gave some critique that I thought was interesting, which was that they were describing these as end to end, but it's really that he said they aren't end to end because these start with a Slack message and they end with a PR. But he said true end to end would end with a merge, which I was like, that's crazy. But apparently, this is what all companies are chasing. They want to be able to build agents that can end with a merge. I was like, okay, that is insane. But if possible, right, that would be pretty wild.
Yeah, I don't know. I think there's a lot of like misplaced expectations on agents,
Right.
and uh, if your agent ends with the merge, then obviously no human did a review, right?
Yeah.
So how can we guarantee that the code works? I mean, obviously, all code that you write in a branch, you want to end with a merge because otherwise it's just sitting in some branch. But
Yeah.
yeah, to me, it just seems like people with all the agentic hype and AI hype are
Yeah.
chasing 100% automation. And to me, that is missing the idea that AI has gaps, that it is not as intelligent as we actually think it is, right? There's huge areas where AI is still really dumb. But maybe if you can figure out, okay, where does my out of the loop coding agent work really well? And I can do these types of coding changes with no human in the loop and
Yeah.
do a merge, right? Like maybe it's a leaf node that I'm updating and I don't really care. Maybe I'm changing the color of a button. I don't really care, right? Or we can guarantee that it
Yeah.
works through some continuous integrations or commit hooks. Then I agree, but it's not. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it depends
No,
the
this
end to
is
end
this is
piece.
amazing. I love how you're stepping down the problem, because this was actually kind of the advice the guy had too, where he said, uh, what you want to do if you want to create your own out of the loop agent is do something simple. And then what you do is, okay, I'm able to trust that now. Now, how can I step that up and do something a little more complicated? And over time, you can build this up. And that's a similar strategy I think a lot of companies in Silicon Valley are using to build, that would want to build stuff like this, right? Is to slowly add more and more to this until they can have more capabilities. Um, and
Yeah,
right
so
now, these are currently fully human reviewed, like you were saying. There's not a single one
it
of these that was fully merged without people.
gotcha. Yeah, so it's just the end goal, right? And
Yeah.
if I was driving an in the loop agent and it was kicking off out of the loop agents to say, hey, for example, just to take a step back, a lot of times as I'm working on a branch, I might find another bug or another UI element that I want to adjust slightly. And
Yeah.
I'm too lazy to go make a whole branch and do a whole merge request just for that. But ideally, that's what I would do to follow
Yeah.
sort of
You're
the
just like,
best
hey,
practice.
this is a small piece. Just send that off to an agent. That'd be great.
Right. But I typically don't, 'cause I don't want to interrupt my workflow, and I just tack it on to the current, like, refactor branch. And oops, I noticed that button over there was the wrong color. I'm just going to throw that in there too. But
Right.
ideally, I'd have that separated out. So if I could just give that to an out of loop agent and it goes all the way to a merge into my current branch or into the dev branch, that to me seems like an ideal use case for that.
Yeah. This also brings up the one final thing here, which is that in order to make this possible, they had to do a couple of things, right? They had to have a robust testing setup, because they have a thing here where they say the agent only gets 2 attempts to pass the CI/CD before it kills its PR. So like it tries to do it, and if it passes all the tests, it passes the
Hmm.
CI/CD. Cool. Now a PR gets created. Now a human gets tasked to review it, right? The second thing they did is the sandboxing setup they're doing is set up well so that the agents can crawl the code, make changes to the code, test it in their sandbox, all of this without touching anything that is going to damage the application. And it's really important that they have as much capability as possible, all the tooling that they need to be able to interact with things, while not having the capability of breaking anything, right? And so there's a lot of infrastructure that has to actually be laid down to create an agent like this. You can't just put Claude Code in a loop with a small task and just send it at production and pray, right? Like that's not a good strategy. These guys are actually making production changes, but they're doing so in a way that they've constructed the sandbox to make it really work for this use case. And I think this is also why Goose was a good choice here, because you have a really minimalist agent that you can dial in. They're leveraging things like hooks very widely so that like when it makes a code change, it gets good feedback loops, right? To be able to
Yeah.
make the right change. Yeah.
So is Goose their agent, or is it an open source agent that they adopted?
It, yeah, it's a fully open source agent from this guy. And they
From
just
one guy?
basically, I believe there's multiple contributors, so I don't know who the inventor is. There's all these
Oh, yeah.
people,
Okay, got
but
it. So
but
it's
yeah, I
not
think
really a Stripe sponsored project or Stripe
yeah,
open source project, and
yeah.
Stripe just adopted it. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, and they talk about it in here. For people that want to see more, here's where they talk about Goose, and they had forked it,
Mm,
and then I think they built on top of it from there.
hmm.
So
Man, I can't stop
yeah,
seeing the M dashes. You just know
yeah,
something's
yeah,
written by AI right away.
yeah.
Yeah.
This
Um,
leads into something that I just want to touch on super briefly, and then we can like totally change topics here. But the thing I find fascinating about this Goose thing and all these open source projects is I sent you a Twitter post about kind of open source people getting like Acqui-hired. And this is a perfect use case where like people are building stuff that is getting used by huge companies. And you could imagine that if Stripe wanted to, they would just go to this guy and say, "Hey, you want to join our team and keep building on that?" And this is happening frequently. And the reason why it's been pitched as the reason why it's happening frequently is one, because there's a lot of talent, right? People are building cool stuff in the era where you can build things fast. But two is one of the guys on Twitter was saying that it makes it extremely easy for a company to come and acquire you if all of your IP is open source. And I think that is fascinating. You just build something and you're like, it's free. And they're like, you're hired. Like, because it's just so easy to acquire you at that point. There's no legal framework or issues that they have to deal with to get there. So I think that's
right,
really cool.
right. That makes sense. It's a sort of putting it behind closed source as a legal barrier to acquiring that technology.
Yeah.
So they're not really trying to acquire the technology. They already have it, right? They could just fork that open source project. What they're
Yep.
doing is they're hiring the ideas and the person that built it
Yep.
to take it further in the direction that they want, right?
Exactly.
Because if I hire someone from an open source project, I'm saying, hey, I love your project and I want you to build like these components that'll make it work really well with my vision of my company.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I'll admit it's tempting. It's like, hey, why not open source a couple things and see where it goes? Because, yeah,
Yeah, but
I
at the
don't know.
same time, how many open source projects are out there in total? And how many have been acquired?
I mean, recently, OpenClaw was bought by OpenAI. So,
Yeah, right. But
which
I'm saying
I thought it was
the
bought by
total
Claude,
number
but
of
then yeah, sorry.
no, yeah, OpenAI bought it. Claude, the
Yeah,
Anthropic dropped the ball. But there's so many videos talking about this. I don't think we really need to talk about it. One of
yeah,
the interesting
sure.
things, so Theo from T3 Chat was mentioning, he was showing another coding agent harness and how, you could use Claude Code inside of it. Actually, it wasn't a coding agent harness. It was really a GUI for terminals to try and manage your terminal sessions.
Ah, yes, I
And
saw this.
yeah, CMux, I believe. And he was having the CMux app is having problems identifying when Claude Code had responded and was waiting for your input. And the problems is Claude Code is closed source. So as a developer and also with agents, you can't check exactly the source code for the Claude Code harness.
Yeah.
So you have to do a lot of that like learning tests that Dex and VibeHub have talked about, where it's like, hey, let
Yeah.
me poke the black box and see how it responds, and that's how I learn about how it works.
Yeah.
Versus things like the Codex harness, where you can actually just go look at the code itself. All the people building tools for OpenAI agents, Codex agents, can build tools that work really well because they're not having to guess, and the agents aren't having to guess.
Right. Yeah, I think also, just building something that's open source like that allows the engineers who are trying to acquire you to see kind of how you think, right? So that's pretty, I don't know, it's cool.